Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're upstairs and this is what my view is every day. I'm very fortunate indeed. Today we're doing it a little different because we have a plumber working in our basement. But I wanted to show you what happens when Canada Post comes off strike and suddenly you're receiving Happy Mail. So what happens is you start getting all of your November kits, like the Pink and Main foil kit from November. There's that. Now this color is Satin Aqua. I think it's quickly going to become a favorite. And then we have the foilables, and there's 8 sheets in there, and there's snowflake frames, which will be fun to use even if they are a bit late. And then we have this one, which is 8 more sheets in toner. Winter Fun is the name of them. So that came today from Pink and Main, and that's the November Club. What else came? Well, we move over here and we got this lovely tote in the Spellbinders December Club, which was a great surprise. Now, anybody with me for a while is now going, what about the November Club? It is still backed up in the mail, so I'm sure I'll get it. So the wax seal of the month for November was the scalloped heart. And it, of course, came with wax beads in pearl white. And then we have glimmer foil in aluminum. Sorry, I was never good at that word. And we have our, large die of, or works with the large die of the month, and it's called You're My Favorite Monster. And there's 4 dies in there. So I think that one will be a lot of fun. We got some Fashion Rose adhesive embellishments that say thanks for being a member. Then we got the 2-way heart stencil of the month, which will make those. So that's awesome. And then next we got, which one is this? The Better Press of the month, which is friendship lace and comes with 3 press plates. So that is going to be gorgeous to play with. We also got the Glimmer of the month, which is Friendship is Everything. And came with 3 hot foil plates and 3 cutting dies. Awesome. We're going to have so much fun. Then we move on to the clear stamp of the month, which is Forever Yours and is 14 clear stamps. Well, that's a lot of stamps. Next, we move on to the December clear stamp and die of the month. And this would be the dies, and they are called, of course, Forever Yours. So these 2 here go together as the kit. So this one would be the dies. And then we have the stencil die of the month, which is Stitched Notch Corner Card, and it is 10 cutting dies. It's going to be fabulous. Then we have the small die of the month, which is Blooming Hello and 12 cutting dies. Look at that H, guys. Wow, the detail. We now move on to the large die of the month for December, which is the Monster Love Pop, and it's 21 cutting dies. Wow. So many possibilities, but what a great Valentine's cutting die. Now we are on to the embossing folder of the month, which is Heart Swag. So there it is in the package, and there's what your pattern is going to turn out like. And now, separate from that, of course, we have the 3D embossing folder, which is the tiny heart scallop. And there's your pattern. So what else came in the mail? Wow, we're done with clubs, but I did get some nice tailor scissors. I'll give you a peek. And then I got some cutter bee scissors, which I'm really looking forward to using. My old ones have died at long last. They were 10 years old. And then, of course, I got a cinch. This was whoops, I'll turn you this way. This was an early Christmas present from my husband. So now I can create my own journals the way that I want them. And a couple of packages of the binding wires. So with all of that, we should be able to have a lot of fun. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you get to do some of what makes you happy. I'm going to go continue cleaning house and waiting for them to finish fixing the hot water machine tank so I can get back into my craft room. Take care, guys, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.